How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be doing a quick video on how to replace your turn signal bulbs. So you're going to want to go ahead and open your hood, and now we'll make our way over here. And it's a kind of a tough spot to see, but you have this harness right here. This is for your directional. Now it's not too difficult to reach in here. We're going to turn this socket counterclockwise and pull our bulb out. So we'll reach in, turn counterclockwise, and pull straight back. Now you can disconnect the connector from this socket. To do so, you just push down on this button and pull this straight out. To remove the bulb, I'm just going to grab it and wiggle it back and forth while pulling. Comes out kind of hard. If you need some new bulbs, I will put a link down in the description for these types of bulbs and LED replacement bulbs. So we can grab our new bulb, and as you can see, I'm not letting my fingers touch the bulb because the oils from our skin can cause the bulb to blow prematurely. We'll just take it and push it into the socket. Grab our connector, push the socket back into place, and you'll hear it snap in. And our next step is just to insert this back in the hole. The socket has these little notches. This only goes in one way. And once we get it all lined up, we'll turn it clockwise to lock it back in. And you can feel it fall into place. And now just turn clockwise. And just make sure it doesn't pull out. And now we can turn the key onto accessory, turn our blinker on just to make sure it works. And everything looks good on this side. And now to do the driver's side, we'll follow the exact same process. We'll turn counterclockwise, pull it straight out, remove your old bulb, and now we can take our new bulb and just push it into place and line everything back up. Move it around until we feel it drop down. And now we'll just rotate clockwise to lock it back in. Make sure your bulb's working right. And that completes this how-to video. I hope this video helped some of you guys out. If it did, if you could give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button.